It is Saturday, May 1st. It is windy, like 20-mile-an-hour winds consistently gusting up to 30. And what are we doing? We're out on the water on a canoe trip. There's my dad over there. Nate's somewhere back there. Yeah, we got a hammock set up on Government Island. Gonna check that out here at Tippy Dam. So yeah, we kind of found a little bayou to keep the wind off of us. There's an eagle's nest up there. We're hoping to see an eagle come in, but yeah, that's about it. I will check back if we're catching any fish. We're just out trout fishing now, maybe bass, whatever bites, I guess, at this point. Anyway, everybody have a good day. Well, I just had a rookie mistake. So I got out right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it goes from, I don't know, big drop off to about 2 inches. So I parked my boat up there. I was walking around, I got some wood, and I came back, and my boat was floating out to sea here. It was floating here. I ended up having to grab a stick and retrieve it. That could have been bad. Oops. I guess next time I'll use that fancy dancy rope I have in the front and tie it onto something. All right, some of you were asking about what we do for food out here. So this is my chicken tacos that I dehydrated. And then I put it in a Ziploc bag. I added a cup of water to it. And then I take it and I put it in Reflectix here and let it cook by itself so I don't have any dishes to do. It's all said and done. Slides in there. Just fold the top over and you're good. And then you just let it sit. And at 15 minutes you're done. Put it on shells and you're good. Hey everyone, it's been a beautiful day actually. The weather calmed down quite a bit recently. Got a fire going. We got Mike and his girlfriend Sierra joined us. We're just out kind of fishing right now. Mike brought beer for us, so that was awesome. Sunday morning. It's got some swans, got some geese. I just caught a fish. Boy, Mike's down there. My dad's over that way too. Boy, it's hard living this life. I could do this every day, ever. I mean, look at the trees and the water right there. I mean, look at that. Oh my gosh. The reflection, just incredible.